In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily bulk delete Instagram posts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit add three lines icon, and then hit add your activity. After that, tap add photos and videos, and then just select the type of content such as posts, reels or highlights. I'm just gonna select posts, and that will show you all your posts from your Instagram account. Now they are sorted from newest to oldest. You can tap right here and change the order from oldest to newest in that way. After that, you will be able to hit add select, and then just by check marking posts that you want to delete, you can select them, and you can select as much posts as you want. And then to delete the post you've selected, just hit right here where it says delete, and then delete again. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.